Say hi guys. Ang lamig-lamig dito sa Korea. You're in Korea, meh. Kain daw ng ice cream. Bibili ng ice cream kahit maulan. This part also is our swimming pool. So here also, guys, hala, sige. Do wanna to eat ice cream? Do wanna?
You want to eat?
Still want to eat? So here, guys, is okay. Got pavement little bit so that you cannot get wet. Kasi pinipilit mo yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi dapat sana. Like now, maulan. Sabi, mag-ice cream sa maulan na panahon. So, tumigil na saglit yung ulan, guys. Pero galit pa rin yung langit. Patay tayo nito. Dug, 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 dug. No, anak! So, dito yung labasan. Dito yung labasan ng condos. Here is our palengke area here. Sa palengke, meh? Palengke na. Is a talipapa here. And then you can buy what you want.
It's not raining.
Still raining. Little bit. Little bit of it. So this one na is our talipapa. The one here only be. There is expensive. Expensive cocomelon. Lumakas yung ulan, guys. Oh my gosh. Ay. Tumay tata. Tumay tata. Basang-basa sa ulan. At walang masisilungan. Here, guys, dito kami mag-shortcut kasi maulan masyado dahil lang sa ice cream. Ay, sarap. Uy. You should know where is the shortcut, guys. Kasi palusot-lusot lang yung mga ano dyan. Yung car park nila at saka yung mga...
Like this one.
Never mind. Yung car park nila at saka yung condo. May mga connecting door yan siya, guys. Hanapin nyo lang at just call 3991-02 and 0259-988. Okay? Annyeong? Na. So, after 100 hours, guys, beep, 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 beep. So, wala nang ulan. So, bumalik na naman kami Kasi,
No,
nagkiat na pot.
no.
Pasa!